Hello YouTube. This is Lego Boy 8712. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego coffee maker. There's not many how to make a Lego coffee maker views on this on YouTube, so this might not get a lot of views, but just decided to make it. Okay, first I'm going to start out with this piece. Here are the pieces you need. One. Okay, well, here are the pieces you need. We're going to need 2 flat of these. Gonna need 1 regular of these. Going to need 1 fat right there. Then a red light, a white flat, and a yellow or a red coffee mug. Okay. Start this. I'm gonna start out with 4-piece. First, and then I'm going to go with this right there, leaving the space right there. We're going to have the 2 flat ones, put them right over, like that. Then we're going to have the flat piece, put that on top. Now we're going to have the red light, put it right down there, and the coffee mug goes right in there. And you have your little coffee maker. That's it for the coffee maker video, and I hope you enjoyed.